Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to show your activity status on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, the process has changed a bit, and today, I'll guide you through each step so you can let your friends know when you're online, all from your computer. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log in with your username and password if you haven't already. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several icons there, but what you're looking for is the More icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it, and a small menu will pop up with more options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust all your account preferences. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a list of categories. Find and click on Message and Story Replies. This is where you can manage your privacy and messaging features. Inside the Message and Story Replies section, look for the option called Show Activity Status. Click on it, and you'll see a simple switch to enable or disable your activity status. To let others see when you're active, make sure the switch is turned on. And that's it. You've now enabled your activity status on Instagram from your PC. With this setting turned on, your friends and followers will be able to see when you're active or recently active on Instagram, making it easier to connect and chat in real time. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back off. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.